Okay, let's finish up on our magma text now. As we can see, we've got a pretty good bit going on here. And a little bit more in our layer styles. Let's go ahead and hit contour here. And let's click in there. Let's actually use, there we go. We'll use that one. Like so. We'll go ahead and hit anti-lazed on that as well. And 50% looks good. We can bring it up. I'm actually going to bring it up to 100%. Just give it that little set off like so. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. And there we have it, a little magma text. And of course you can add a background or something behind that. Let's go ahead and go in this background layer here. Let's click here and let's get a red color going on. Let's say filter. Let's render some clouds. This background layer like so. Let's go to filter. That's fine. We'll just leave it like that. And there it is. There's our magma text. Play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.